family, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malaysia, and today we are coming with you guys with another vending vlog. Okay, today is collection day, so we're going to all three locations. We're collecting all our money from all our vending machines, as well as we need to clean up, sanitize, as well as refill a few of our machines. And then we'll come back home and we'll collect the money and show you guys how much we made from all our vending machines for the month of, what is this? It's February, right? The month of February. So right now I'm just getting, let me take y'all with you. I'm getting all of the candy and supplies ready to go. I have our little baggies in here and our wipes, some more hand sanitizer. So I had to print out another one of our, HMN vending, make this machine is regularly sanitized, little paperwork. So make sure we get this back on our machines. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything packed up, change my clothes, get into my H&M vending polo, and then we'll get ready for Tristan to come home. And then we'll go ahead and head right over to location number 1. We are all packed up. We have everything that we need to go ahead and get our machine filled. Plus we have our handy dandy toolbox outside already packed up in the car. We got some disinfectant wipes because we need to clean up the machine. Okay, you guys, we are back. We are getting ready to go ahead and get this stuff dropped off at the first location. Like you see before, we have everything packed up. Before I was grabbing the money bag, so here is the money bag. And I also grabbed some extra hand sanitizer so we can fill up any empty ones. Tristan just came home with the update. He had called one of the locations and they had told us that one of our 3-header machines is giving out more M&Ms than it should. So somebody is putting a quarter in and they're getting back quite a bit of M&Ms. So we're going to go by and see if we can hopefully get that kind of figured out and get that fixed. And then we'll head over to the rest of the locations.
We on our way to these locations to get things together in order to check in at the location and pick up some collections and let y'all know by the end of the video what we got. So follow us, come along.
We are at the first location. Behind us is this auto shop. We're getting ready to go in there, look at the machine, see what's going on with it, get it cleaned up, get it sanitized, and also talk to the owner, do our due diligence. So, you guys, stay tuned. Let's head in there. Hello.
Yeah, I had to take off the other day. So the middle one, like you said, I don't know what caused it. You can kind of see that something's messed up inside there. So.
Okay, we're going to take care of it.
Right,
thank you. Let me know.
Okay, other vendors. So we're getting, this one is getting a little bit more. We kind of fixed it and adjusted it, but some of it we still getting a little bit too much. So tell us, guys, what we need to do.
I think we need to just get the other one from the examples and test it out, how to adjust it, play around with it, and then we'll know how. So we just finished up at the last location. We were there for about an hour. It took us a lot longer than we had expected. It looks like a little part of our machine might have broken. That's why there's so much candy coming out. I was able to change it up a little bit so not as much candy comes out, but we're probably going to have to do a little research, and if we have to, we'll replace that part. Since we're running a little bit late, we're going to go ahead and head to the second location. We live in the country, clearly. Okay, guys, we're at the pop machine. Tristan's gonna go ahead and open it. Gonna go ahead and collect from here. Bear with me, y'all.
gotta turn it.
Huh?
Yeah. I gotta turn the coldness down.
I'm gonna get them. One of them is a few more and they'll bust it. It's another one.
There we go. Alright, you guys, there's our coin counter, our dollar collector, coin counter. And here it goes. Oh, sorry. Good job, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and collect that. You put that in there.
You got it?
I got it. Okay, you guys, up to our last location. As you can see, this auto location, the inside didn't do quite well. They kind of have our machine kind of tucked into a corner. I think that kind of got something to do with why our coins were so low. But the pop machine still look good. We would like to know, you guys, it is winter where we're at, so a lot of people aren't coming out the house, aren't going to locations that we have our machines at. But once it starts getting warmer, we're pretty sure that we're going to see an increase in our numbers. So let's head over to our last location, which is a restaurant. We're going to check we just have a 3-header there.
Check out the machine.
This is our first machine, y'all.
She thinking we said the machine back here. Yeah. Sorry, we talking about this one. I'm sorry. I couldn't even know. We talking about this. I couldn't really talk with this mask on.
That's all right. It's hard to see. I'm gonna. is it in all, y'all. We have finished our last location.
Man, it feels good, y'all. Get this out the way. Just for a better reason.
Okay, relevant family, we are finally back home. We have all the change in here. I did put them in 3 different pockets. So when I write down on our Excel sheet how much we made monthly from each location, I have an accurate reading. I got our electrical coin counter out here. So let's see how much each location made, and then we'll see how much they all made together. Okay, family, let's go ahead and count. Okay, you guys, so we just finished up totaling everything, and Bay is going to give y'all the grand total.
So, grand total is $93.12, y'all.
Yeah, so this month from our 3 headers and our 1 pot machine, we made $93.12. I know some of you guys are probably like, that's not a lot of money. But you got to think about this. This is money that we did not have to do anything to make. We literally just set up our machines, been doing our business all month, and then we go at the end of the month, clean the machines, check on the machines, do all of that. So we spend 2 hours working for $100. You can't beat that. And we also we do vending as passive income. It's not neither one of our main income streams, but it's definitely an additional income stream, which we're just trying to build additional revenue for our legacy. So in the summer, we're expecting to, of course, we expect our numbers to go up with more people moving, with the pandemic lifted. We expect to do a lot, but we're doing just a little bit better, as well as we still have a snack vending machine in storage. We'll probably do a sit-down video, let you guys know how we're shifting our business when it comes to the type of vending machines we're going to be acquiring next. So, yeah.
Yeah, y'all. So if y'all like this video, subscribe. Check out the rest of our videos as well. And stay tuned for more good content and videos ahead. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.